So we're given that all these lines are medians, and we know that medians bisect sides. So that makes some of these problems super easy, right? So if this is 10, then if that bisected the side, then that must mean that that's 5. If that bisected the side, that must mean that the whole thing was 32. And then some of these ones down here, we're back to that. If this is 12, then this whole thing, that must have been 12, so that whole thing must have been 24. And cool. So the easy ones, check. Now the other ones have to do with this point here, which is that point of concurrence of all those medians, and we call that point the centroid. And there's this fancy theorem that medians meet at a point called the centroid, which is 2/3 of the distance from each vertex to the midpoint on the opposite side. So this point is 2/3 of the distance from the vertex as it is to the midpoint on the opposite side. So this whole length, this is 2/3 of that length. Anyway, it'll be more clear when we do stuff. So here, SP is 18, so the whole thing is 18. What I'm going to do is divide that by 3, and that'll be the shorter piece, the piece that's farther from the vertex piece. So if this is 6, then this is twice that, so this will be 12. So 12 is 2/3 of 18. So this point, that distance is 2/3 of that full distance. And so what were they looking for? They were looking for CS, which was 12. Excellent. We'll do it again. Here they gave us the shorter piece here. So the piece that's closer to the vertex is twice that, so this will be 34. And so this full length, whatever 17 plus 34 is, 34 is 2/3 of that, because we kind of broke it up into thirds. So they wanted JH, so we have to do that. So 34 plus 17 on the spot, oh gosh, is 51. So the whole thing is 51 long. We do it again. Here they tell us that BY is 51, so divide 51 by 3 and you'll get 17. So the shorter piece is 17, and then the piece closer to the vertex is twice that length, it's 34. So they gave us the same thing again. And they wanted CY, which is just 17. Over here, that was an easy one, and then this one, HA was 12, so the whole piece was 12. Again, we'll split that into 3, so this shorter piece here is 4, and then the longer piece, the piece that's closest to the vertex, is twice that, is 8, and so CH is what they wanted, and that should be 8. And there you have it.